Alexandra and welcome to my studio. I have a new design out. Actually, I published it on the last day of January, but I'm making this video just now. And this is for Luna head. And Luna is a Latin word for moon. And I thought it would be very appropriate name for this because I used from a beginning to end double-stranded kidsilk mohair in combination with fingering weight merino. And what it does, it creates halo around every stitch and a whole piece itself, so you can see the halo right there. And so I thought this word moon, the name Luna, would be very appropriate for this design. So I wanted to come up with a hat that is very comfortable, warm, and stylish. And I wanted to use a combination of those two fibers that I used here. So, and I think I succeeded. So I'm actually very happy with the way it came out. So you start with size 4 needle and you work for 2 inches twisted ribbing. Then you change to size 6 needle and continue with a cable pattern until you reach kind of like here to make start working on a crown. And let me unsnap it so I'll show you the crown. And the crown is very well defined 8-petal flower. So you don't have to use a pom-pom, but I think it kind of adds yumminess to it. And besides, those pom-poms are just delicious. It's by Big Bad Wool Company, and they come in gorgeous colors. You can find it online or in your local yarn shops, and they have a snap, so which is wonderful because you can change the color, or if you wash it, you can wash it safely because it's real fur. So it's beautiful, loved it. About the cable pattern, so what I did here, I wanted to do a cable, but not a boring kind of like a very traditional one, even that I like traditional stuff, but I wanted to kind of step away. And this is a cabling I used. So as you can see, it looks kind of different. It's very well defined, but it's flat. And it looks more contemporary in my opinion. And I love it so much. I'm gonna apply it to different type of designs. You will see them in the future. So this is how it looks in the form. So it looks very comfortable and cozy. It's slouchy, but not too slouchy. I personally don't like when it hangs on the back too much. So it's another gorgeous pom-pom. And you see the pattern looks very good when you put it on the head. It's very well defined. So I'm really happy with it. So about the yarn, I used combination of kidsilk mohair lace and sock yarn, but by Hedgehog Fibers. And I'm addicted to this yarn company because I want to try every color they have and every color combination because it's just amazing experience. But when you add kidsilk lace, this is a different level of happiness. And I want to keep working with it because it's just so soft and wonderful, and stitches come out just beautifully. Like, just look, see, it's just, it works really wonderful. So what we did with Hedgehog Fibers, we came up with quite a few kits for this particular design, and it would color combination would fit probably any taste. So it may be not your cup of tea, this combination, it's my favorite, but we came up with different styles color wise, and you can find them in the link below in the Hedgehog Fibers shop. So I'm very excited about this collaboration and very happy because this is amazing yarn. And I want you to have the same experience with me. So I used, as a tools, I used Chiago needles, twist in size 4 and a size 6, 16 inches long. And Chiago needles is the only needles I use. This is my tools. And my pattern is 4 pages long, and it's got written instruction and chart and photos. So so if you're a chart person, it's here. If you prefer written instructions, it's all there. So that's pretty much it about Luna. I'm happy with it. I want to make more. I'm gonna make more. I'm gonna make them as a gift. and I'm gonna keep buying those pom-poms because it's just beautiful, and I want to make more combination of hedgehog fibers. So you will see all the links for my patterns where you can find it and the yarn kits below this video. Sign up for my channel and I'll see you soon. Bye.